Not enough minerals.
Reinforcements to the front line.
If you can't leave it, love it.
Not enough minerals.
Listen up, Commanders. We've got a serious level of infestation here, and we need to burn it out stat. These monsters are dangerous at night, but they burn out during the day. That's when we'll torch the infested structures.
Me? You sure? This? I could get a lot for this. Empire's right behind me. Not another...
I live.
My dominion, right or wrong. I'm complying. We're the higher authority.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
If you can't leave it, love it. I'm no traitor.
Not enough.
This is the home front.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
If you can't leave it,
Not enough minerals.
guess I'm on your list.
Not enough.
My dominion, right or wrong.
This
Our allies
world
are being
is
attacked.
weak. It will fall.
Empire's right behind me. Who'd I piss off? I could get the higher authority.
Our allies are being attacked.
If you can't leave it, I'm no traitor. What else would I do?
Our allies are being attacked.
My dominion, right or wrong. I'm complying.
Heads up, Commanders. The day's almost over, which means the infested are gonna come for us soon.
We're the higher
Allies are being
authority.
attacked.
This could go bad. Empire's right behind me. Guess I'm on your list. This is the home front now.
Our allies are being attacked.
The sun is down. Defend against the infested until it rises again.
This is the home front now.
Our allies are being attacked.
Empire's right behind me. I'm no traitor. We're the higher authority. Who'd I piss off? Empire's right behind me. We're the higher authority. Empire's right behind me. Not another drill. My dominion.
Detecting some
right or
spotters.
wrong.
They can fly, so you better keep an eye on them.
Guess I'm on your list. The home front now. Who'd I
Not
piss
enough
off?
minerals.
Empire's right behind me. My dominion, right or wrong. Is that you, Emperor? If you can't leave it,
Not enough minerals are being attacked.
Azul. Suit's fitting okay. If you can't leave it, more supply bunkers, more guns. Simple.
Upgrade complete. Our allies not enough minerals.
If you can't leave it, love it. Sir, this is the home front now. Suit's fitting okay. If you can't leave it, love it.
People of the Dominion, rise
Our
up and
allies
defend
are being
yourselves.
Not another. Me?
Base
Sure.
is under attack.
You know what's best.
Just a little longer, Commanders. The infested can't survive in the sun.
This is inhumane. Looking for direction. We're the higher authority.
Our allies are being attacked.
My dominion, right or wrong. I'm prepped. To spec. If you can't leave it, love it.
Okay, commanders. We need to destroy enough structures today to stay ahead of the infestation. I've already marked a few for you.
Our allies are being attacked.
This is the home front now. Is that you? Suit's fitting okay.
Our allies are being attacked.
Hollow mana. Destroy.
Detecting more structures at this location.
Complete.
To spec. Sir,
Not enough minerals.
Empire's right behind me. This is the home front now. Is that you, Emperor?
Our
If you can't
allies
leave
are
it,
being
love it.
attacked.
Suit's fitting okay. Empire's right behind me. Sir, if you can't leave it, love it.
We're not done yet, commanders. Here's some more structures to burn out.
Bring in the peace. Empire. Core Hall strong. If you can't leave it, love it. I'm worth 10 of them. Full for my dominion, right or wrong.
Our allies are being attacked.
Construct
This is the
Earth
home
Splitter
front
ordnance
now.
to perform a
Good as
contaminated
gold.
strike.
Fight. We're the higher authority. Waving the banner. Empire's right behind me. If you can't
Together
leave it,
we can
love it.
destroy any foe.
Make the most of the day, commanders. It's nearly over.
On top.
I've got another sector with structures on my scanners.
Are being attacked.
I knew the infestation was bad. This is crazy. Hold them off. We're making good progress, but there's still a lot of infestation to go. Hunterlings. Those things move fast, and they can jump up cliffs.
If you can't leave it,
You have
love
to defend that barricade if it's gonna stay standing.
Base
it. We're
is
the
under
higher
attack.
authority. This is the home front now.
Our allies are being attacked.
We're the higher authority.
Base
Like
is
the
under
hustle.
attack.
But I'd advise against it, commanders.
We're the higher
It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
I'm worth 10
Our
of them.
allies are being attacked.
Good as
Cloaked
gold.
enemies.
I'm worth 10 of
I
them.
can still smell them.
Fighting good as gold. Here comes the... I'm worth 10 of them. Full.
Base is under attack. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
This is the...
Our allies
Don't get too bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
This is the home front now. Good as gold.
Our allies are being attacked.
My dominion, right or wrong. Core Hall
Base
strong.
is
This
under
is the
attack.
home front now. On time, on...
Our allies are being attacked.
This war leaves no room for civilians.
Base is under attack.
You sure you want to do that at night, commanders? The infested will be here any minute.
Not enough minerals. Our allies are being attacked.
Worm.
If you
Base
can't leave
Looks
it,
like Avon wants a piece of us too. Get those defenses in place.
if you can't leave it, love it.
Our
Yes.
allies are being attacked.
Empire's right behind you.
Don't get too bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
Base
This may
is
look
under
bad,
attack.
but it won't last much longer. Morning's almost here.
Our allies are being attacked.
Looks like they're trying to tear down a barricade.
I'm worth 10 of waving the banner.
Our allies are being attacked.
Sunrise. That's our cue to move. We won't have enough time later if we destroy too few structures today.
Our allies are being attacked.
Empire's right behind me.
Our allies are being attacked.
Sending you the coordinates for more structures.
If you can't leave it, love it.
Our allies are being attacked.
We're the higher authority. If you can't leave it,
Not enough minerals.
by
Our
any means,
allies are being attacked.
my dominion, right or wrong. Coral, if you can't leave it, love it.
The people have granted me
Get it
full
together.
emergency
Our allies'
power.
base is under. Our allies are being attacked.
Looks like we can find additional structures here.
We're the higher authority. Coral strong.
Our
My
allies
dominion, right or wrong. We're the higher authority.
Rise, primal worm.
Our allies are being attacked.
The day's gonna end soon, Commanders.
I'm worth 10 of them.
Our allies are being attacked.
Take up.
Our allies are being attacked.
Bring in the peace. In it together. On time, on target.
Sit tight, Commanders. This night's just getting started. We're taking the biophage. Killing it could prevent future infestation, but we'll have to attack it at night. You have until sunrise to attack the virophage. If you can't kill it now, you can come back to it tomorrow night.
We're the higher authority.
We're halfway there, Commanders. Keep it up, and we can still save this planet. One of our barricades is being hit hard.
Our allies are being attacked.
Sure you want to do that at night, Commanders? The infested will be here any minute.
Base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked. Our allies are being attacked.
Good as gold.
To me, Macron.
Bring in the in it to
Base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
Oh, that's one less headache to worry about on this planet. Thanks, Commanders.
Base is under attack.
Like the hustle, but I'd advise against it, Commanders. It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
Our allies are being attacked.
That stank is strong enough to withstand sunlight. We have to kill it ourselves.
Your forces are under attack.
Amon's supporting the infested with his own forces. It's gonna be a long night. You sure you want to do that at night, Commanders? The infested will be here any minute.
Your forces base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
Fight, Galenic.
We can do this, Commanders. It's almost sunrise.
Your forces base is under attack. Our allies are
Hey,
being attacked.
I'm not expendable.
Like the hustle, but I'd advise against it, Commanders. It'll be easier to take out the structures in the daytime.
Our allies
To
are being
battle, Mama.
Our allies are being attacked.
Looks like we can find additional structures here. Most of the infestation has been dealt with. Just a little more to go.
Take up.
The Dominion stands behind me.
Our allies are
All
being attacked.
emergency powers are now online.
Here comes the throne.
Our allies are being attacked.
The Crumb make haste.
Upgrade complete. Our allies are being attacked.
Good as gold.
Another day's coming to an end.
Upgrade complete. Our allies' base is under attack.
Release the Zerg.
Here come the infested. We have to hold them off until sunrise. Don't get too bold out there. If our base falls to the infested, this planet will be lost.
Our allies' base is under attack. Base is under attack.
That's the last of it. The planet's saved, Commanders, and we have you to thank.